I am Parlejanit Ocampo Gómez. I am going to travel in 15 days de Tunja. I am going to visit the historic center of Tunja. I am going stay at the Boyacá Plaza Hotel. I am going to invite my husband. I am going visit the historic center to know the architecture and its typical foods. I am going to spend 1 million on travel. I am going to take the ceramic souvenirs for my relatives. On this trip, I am going to stay for 3 days. The clothes that will wear during the trip will be two Kelly dresses, a blouse, pants, 3 pairs of shorts. Thank you.